Welcome to this international conference on climate-induced migration.
We need to understand better what are the impacts of climate change and how we can adapt to climate change.
I just want to emphasize to what extent it's not just climate change, it is also modes of, in quotation marks, economic development.
Climate change will negatively impact on populations' livelihoods, and especially for poor populations.
Sometimes natural disasters can decrease mobility in these developing countries, but can increase the mobility to countries that have special relationship with the country which is hit by this natural disaster.
We know that we need to design good adaptation strategies. The countries need to design good adaptation strategies because this is extremely important for migration.
Syria may be some sort of window to the future, to what climate change could bring in the future.
If the flows are so big and so fast, then it's quite difficult for the receiving country to absorb that wave.
What the household micro-based data studies show is that floods induce a temporary response.
Migration, we know this for years and years. It affects not only through remittances, the drivers of migration, it affects the social norm of migration.
We investigated agriculture as one of the possible channels through which adverse climatic conditions boost out migration.
The approach has been very interdisciplinary. I'm going to focus on the quantitative approaches and on the most recent academic research.
Livelihood preferences via migration that were certainly accelerated, but even more certainly not dominated by climate change or other ecological factors.
The political problems which are posed by climate are going to be have to be solved at the national level.
We have to protect the values of an open-minded, respectful, humane society, which goes hand in hand with the best interest of our country.
Con l'interesse del paese.